All right, our top story comes in from outside the Indian Parliament this morning and afternoon. The standoff between opposition parties and the Election Commission over voter list revision in Bihar. The India bloc took their battle to the streets on Monday. The police detained opposition MPs and foiled their march towards the Election Commission's office. The Modi government has now declared it will pass legislations without debate as the opposition is not cooperating in Parliament. But these were the scenes that were witnessed outside Parliament.
High drama on the streets of Delhi. Samajwadi Party chief Akhilesh Yadav scales police barricades. Trinamool MP Mahua Moitra faints during protests. Opposition MPs are rounded up and packed off in buses. The India bloc, after months of lethargy, has found new energy as it finally found common ground on one issue. The opposition parties have joined hands to take on the Election Commission of India over the special intensive revision of voter list in Bihar and Rahul Gandhi's expose of alleged voter list irregularities in a Karnataka seat during Lok Sabha elections. India bloc MPs took out a march from Parliament to Election Commission headquarters in Delhi on Monday with a memorandum seeking clean voter list. But the protest march was blocked midway by the police.
ये जो लड़ाई है ये राजनीतिक नहीं है, ये कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन की लड़ाई है, कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन को बचाने की लड़ाई है, वन मैन वन वोट की लड़ाई है। इसीलिए हमें साफ प्योर वोटर लिस्ट चाहिए।
डरे हुए हैं, कायर हैं, सरकार कायर है।
The government hit back at the opposition, calling the allegations of rigging baseless. The centre has decided to push through bills in Parliament even if the opposition does not cooperate.
कांग्रेस पार्टी पहले ईवीएम के ऊपर झूठ बोलते हैं, कभी महाराष्ट्र की बात उठाते हैं, कभी हरियाणा की बात उठाते हैं, झूठ की वो एक नया पहाड़ बनाते हैं।
इनका मतलब यह है कि इनकी सुनो नहीं तो ऑब्स्ट्रक्शन। दिस इज नॉट डेमोक्रेसी, दिस इज एनार्किज्म एंड दिस इज ऑब्स्ट्रक्शनिज्म। और इनको यह ध्यान में रहे कि हम इतने सक्षम हैं कि हम हर बात पर चर्चा करने के लिए तैयार हैं, लेकिन ऑब्स्ट्रक्शनिज्म और एनार्किज्म ये हम नहीं बर्दाश्त करेंगे।
With the assembly elections in Bihar approaching, the stakes are high and the standoff between the opposition and the Election Commission is far from over. With Piyush Mishra, Bureau Report, India Today.